Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe, and today I am going to try to pick this Schlage Everest. Now this Everest is all stock pins, which many of you know are just standard. This may take me a couple tries. I'm not, honestly not that good at this lock. I've had this for quite a while. I mean, I've had this for a really long time. Always finding that first binder for me is a little bit tough. Bit of movement on the core there. That might mean we're down to the check pin here. Yep, sure is. Sweet. Well, that's a relief. So, get this out of the way and open this thing up, and I do have the key for this somewhere. There we go. There. This is an SFIC. This has some master wafers in it, which I don't know if that helps or hurts or what. But drop this guy back in. That's the pin that actuates. Check pin and spring. That last pin is what actuates this being able to turn and pull out of the core. Out of whatever it's housed in, rather. Three master wafers. I'm really glad to get this thing on video. It's been a really long time. There we go. Oops, I just destroyed a spring. Sorry. I got lots more of those guys. Anyway, nothing fancy to see here, but I'll bring this in closer so you can see it. Anyway, Schlage Everest SFIC. That is all I have for you today. If you do like this video, please like, please subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.